back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about brush cleaning. So, I was sent this Sigmagic Scrub brush cleanser thingy from Sigma because, as you all know, I am a Sigma affiliate, so this is not sponsored by Sigma, but since I was sent this product, I wanted to see if it actually works to clean our brushes. So basically, in this video, we are going to be demoing and discussing the Sigmagic Scrub brush cleaner. I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna give you just, a few little details, and then at the end, we will talk about brush cleaning tips and all of that good stuff. So before we hop into this video, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you have hit that notification bell so that way you never miss another upload from me. Let's get it. Alright, so just a few little details about the Sigmagic Scrub brush cleaner. I'm gonna pull them up on my phone. Alright, so this Sigmagic Scrub is $19. It is paraben, sulfate, and I'm gonna insert this third word right here because I don't know how to pronounce it. Phthalate, whatever it is, free. It says clean your extra dirty brushes with this natural cleanser. This 2-in-1 solid cleanser plus gadget means better skin and makeup application fast. Even the toughest of foundation and pigment stains are easily scrubbed away. Just add water to the Sigma Spa Gadget brush cleanser. Just add water. Pauses do make a difference, Just add water to the Sigma Spa Gadget Plus brush cleanser. Yeah, I said that right. Featuring firm hold suction cups, you are free to wash your brushes hands-free using a swirling motion. The vented lid, let me show you. I can't get it off. There we go. The vented lid, this is it right here. Lord, I could not get that open. That was legitimately stuck. The vented lid allows product to dry and stay germ-free. Using 100% natural virgin coconut and ethically sourced palm oil, product buildup, oil and bacteria wash away to get your brushes back to beauty without harmful chemicals. This antimicrobial formula prevents growth of bacteria for up to 2 weeks after use. So, is there anything else? Basically said everything. But yeah, so let's just jump in to see how this thing works. If it works, does it work well? Is it worth the money? I mean, it's not really that expensive, but is it worth your coin? Let's find out. Okay, so first we are going to just take this and attach it to the back of my sink, like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the water on, wet it a little, and then should work. Let's see. We got action. You know what? Let me slide this over. I'm gonna put it on the side here instead. Okay. This thing's nice and clean. And this brush is hella dirty, by the way. Hella dirty. It's dirty. I'm not gonna make y'all sit here and watch me clean every last brush, but I just want y'all to see that this actually does work. This does seem to be a good gadget. I have never used any of Sigma's cleaning products before. So when cleaning your brushes, so when cleaning your brushes, you don't want to like saturate your brush all the way up to here, because that will loosen the brushes from like the metal part. So that's why I'm more so taking it down here where there's not a lot of water. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and switch the camera Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and switch the camera angle back, and then we'll be back in action. Alright, well, as you can see, this Sigmagic brush cleanser scrub thing works. I basically used all of it because my brushes were super dirty. So I want to go over some like brush care tips, because we don't want your brushes to be as dirty as mine were. So tip number one, you want to make sure you wash your brushes weekly. You could get away with doing it like every other week, but preferably if you could, you know, take like some time out of one of the days, you know, in the week, every week, to clean your brushes. Second tip, do not store your brushes wet or, you know, like with product on it. This is a brush that I just used. Do not store them in like Ziploc bags or non-vented containers, because that there will cause bacteria and more like just filth and gook to like fester on your brushes and stuff. So make sure that when you dry them, you lay them flat, or, you know, if you have like one of the little drying rack things, just hang it on there in an open, you know, well circulated environment, and let them air dry naturally that way. Tip number 4, when you are cleaning your brushes, you only want to, when you want to try as best as you can to like only do like the bristles, like don't get up here, like right here. Try not to get water up in there, because that tends to like cause shedding and like loosen it from the base that it's in within the metal, or, you know, whatever it is, whether it's metal or wooden. It'll tend to loosen that, and then you'll have to end up like replacing your brushes more often. So if you want to get longevity out of them, it's best that, like, as you saw when I was cleaning it, I was like dipping it in the water in the sink, as opposed to just like, you know, under the water the entire time. So definitely do that. And on that note, I need for you to sit here and watch this next video that I have placed right here for your viewing pleasure. And I'm out of here.